Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I did these Fuchsia Bling nails with a piercing. Alright, so for this look, I used Long Hair Pretty Nails Pink Nude and Clear Acrylic along with this hollow glitter mix, and this is available on my website. I will leave a link down below. So I've already prepped my nails for acrylic application, and I will be having a video on how I do that soon. So next I'm applying Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator. And No Lift Nails Primer. And I'm just gonna go in with a small bead of the clear acrylic and apply that to my cuticle area. And next I'm applying this custom blended fuchsia acrylic that I mixed up. And I used the fuchsia color from the Banggood 24-piece acrylic set. And I also mixed in some glitters and all of that. So yeah, that is what this is. So I'm just going to overlay this over the entire nail. And it is kind of chunky and kind of hard to work with, so I'm just taking small beads of it and just taking my time and just trying to keep everything nice and neat. And the brush that I'm using is my number 8 Alpha brush, and I do have a coupon code if you guys are interested. I will leave the link and the coupon code down below. So when I get to the cuticle area, I'm just trying to keep that area as neat as possible. Moving on to my ring fingernail, I'm once again applying a thin layer of clear acrylic to the cuticle area. And then I'm going in with this gorgeous hollow glitter mix. And what I did was just pick up a small bead of clear acrylic and dipped it into the glitter. And that is how I apply it to my nail. And I'm just trying to pack it on as dense as possible, but just try to keep this layer thin as well, because I will be encapsulating this nail with clear acrylic. And I just make sure to fill in any gaps that I see, because I want this nail to be like entirely covered with this hollow glitter. Alright, so for my middle finger, I'm once again starting off with a thin layer of clear at the cuticle area. And then I'm going to apply the pink nude acrylic at the tip and work that backwards just to create a nice ombre effect. Alright, so now I'm taking the fuchsia glitter mix and applying that to the cuticle area and working it downward, trying to create a nice ombre effect. As I stated, this acrylic is very hard to work with and it's very hard to blend. So I just take really small beads and just try to work my ombre the way that I want it to be. And in the end, it did come out, you know, okay. So I'm happy with that. But yeah, I'm just blending it down the nail and also dragging some of those glitter pieces just to create a nice, you know, fade between the two colors. And now I'm just adding some hollow glitter just for some extra pizzazz. Alright, so for my index finger, I'm just going to apply the pink nude acrylic to the entire nail. And I'm going to do the same thing for my thumbnail. Alright, so once all the other nails have set, I'm just going to go in with the Long Hair Pretty Nails Clear Acrylic and encapsulate all of these nails. Alright, so this is after all of the acrylic has set, and I'm just going to go in with my shaping and filing. And as always, I like to start off with my hand file on the 100 grit side and just work that on the sides of the nail and over the top just to smooth everything out. Alright, so this is after all of my hand filing. So then I go in with my medium grit safety bit from Fuchsia Nails, and I just like to work this around the cuticle area to seal off the acrylic and prevent lifting, and just to make it look super natural, like it's growing from my nail. And I also like to work this down the nail as well, just to smooth everything out. And I will leave a link to my e-file and my nail dust collector below. Alright, so this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm going to drill in my hole for the little dangle piece. And you just need a drill bit with a sharp point on it, and I kind of just work it in and out until the hole is formed. And you just want to make sure that if you are doing it on the corner to not go too far, because you can break the nail. So this is how it looks after it is done. And now I'm going to apply my bling. And I got this jewelry case from gearbest.com. I will leave a link down below. So to apply my crystals, I'm using a combination of the Fuchsia Nails Bling Gel and the Fuchsia Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And what I do is take my gel brush and apply the Bling Gel first. And the Bling Gel is just like a builder gel. And without caring, I apply a coat of the Fuchsia Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat over it. And then I apply my crystals. And once I have them all in place, I just go ahead and flash cure so they won't move. This nail is just going to be super blinged out, so I'm using all different sizes of iridescent crystals, Swarovski crystals. The iridescent crystals are available on my website. I will leave a link down below. Alright, so after curing that, I'm just going to go and apply the gel top coat to the rest of the nails. And before I cure, I just take the tip of my crystal katana and just push that into the hole just to make sure there isn't any top coat that's going to seal that off. So this is how the nails look after I have cured. And now I'm going to apply some loops, and I got these from a jewelry repair kit, and I'm just going to pick out this large silver hoop here, and I use my nippers to open up the loop. And this was a little difficult to do because I am doing it on myself, so I had to do it with one hand. But I finally did get it to go in and was able to close it off. Alright, so that is the first loop. And I decided to add a gold one as well. I just feel like it needed two. And I also added a bling border around this nail as well. And also some more crystals to my thumbnail. Alright, so after that, I'm just going to apply my cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. Just a super blinged out nail, and I just love these little dangle pieces. This was my first time trying out the pierced nail, and I'm in love, so you guys will be seeing way more of this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.